Foods, eventually, nung dumating yung bagong import nila, wala na sila masyadong problema sa ilalim. Pure Foods is still the same team for me. Nagkaiba lang ng tao, but still the same Pure Foods na alam ko na malakas. Great matchup. It's a great game. I'm looking forward for a win.
Well said. Gana kay Coach Boyd Fernandez. Naalala natin, nung serye na yun, Jason, medyo nagkakainitan na, di ba? Dahil ang tagal nga bago natapos yung serye, no? Inabot ng Game 7 in our last conference, yung Philippine Cup. And Coach Boyd Fernandez, of course, getting the edge there, 4-3. And this time, it is Pure Foods on top by 4. As Kelly Williams picks it up.
That's what I was saying. Itong matchup na to, if Kelly Williams will be guarded by John Dan Salvador, he's just too quick coming from the outside, and you can see right there, a full step ahead of John Dan Salvador. No choice for John Dan but to give up that foul.
Of course, Kelly Williams struggling a bit in the early going. Uy, pati sa free throw pala.
At dito, Ed, mararamdaman yung pagkawala ni Mark Pingres. He was the best guy to defend Kelly Williams. Now that he's gone, there's not one person that has the package to actually defend Kelly Williams.
Well, pinasok si Richard Yee. Let's see if he's going to be given the job. As some pressure in the backcourt being applied by Santa Lucia. Enrico Villanueva is also in the hard court now para sa Pure Foods. Lanete against Christian Coronel. Uy, ang taas kong pasa na yun. Oh,
nice
great.
pass.
Oh, sayang. Normally, Bitoy Umulon would be up to the challenge, ano, pero masyado lang talaga mabilis eh. Ganda naman ang pasa na yun. Galing kay Chico Lanete.
Give credit para dito sa Pure Foods. Excellent transition defense to still na magulo pa rin ito si Norbert Tumolon. And then right after that, attack the defense right away and check kung mas maganda rin ba yung transition defense ng Santa Lucia.
Biggest lead so far at 5 points. And Kelly Williams still trying to bleed for his points. BJ Simon. Alala niyo nung All-Star, ano, nagpakitang gilas ito si Peter June Simon in his first appearance in the PBA All-Stars, and he was adjudged as the best player of that game. Wilson gets Relini out of the way. Para-paraan lang yan eh. Kailangan, sabi mo nga, no, kailangan ng konting imagination and creativity para naman magkaroon ka ng pagkakataon.
And both imports have really been testing the defense of the other. And early on, ito si Render Relini, may advantahe pa rin siya dahil ilang beses niya nang pinahirapan. Ito si Wesley Wilson.
Bakla si tira yun from Enrico Villanueva.
Sabi ko nga, imagination.
Yeah.
Ano yun, pinairal na ni Enrico doon, yung imahinasyon niya.
Whatever works for you. Wesley. Ayun ang gusto niya mangyari. Sumabit si Relimi. O si Relimi ba talagang tatawagan?
I remember,
hindi.
malamang dyan si Enrico. I remember a while ago when I was saying na itong si Wesley Wilson has to find different ways. That time around when he attacked, jab step, para yung malaki pumunta ng isang direksyon. Pagpunta ka agad ni Relimi sa isang direksyon, using his quickness, getting to the basket, ito si Wesley Wilson.
Lakas. Ang dami palang Dennis dito sa Santa Lucia, no? Tatlo sila. Dennis Espino, Dennis Daa, Dennis Miranda.
Marami rin sila yung yung pagkapareho yung initials pareho. DB, Dennis Daa, Ryan Reyes, Wesley Wilson.
Ano? Doble-doble, ha?
Doble-doble.
Oy.
Christian Coronel.
O, yun. Ano pala yun? Unnecessary foul there by Bitoy Umolon. Marlo Aquino comes in to relieve Wesley Wilson in the last 5 seconds of the first quarter. 5-point lead by Pure Foods. Humihingi si Rico. Binigay instead si PJ Simon.
Napaganda pa yon, and patience on the part of Richard Yee. At saka si PJ Simon, hindi naman tumigil sa kakagalaw, kaya siya nakakuha ng bola.
Maganda yung cut ni Simon, kaya nabigyan siya. And Omolon couldn't do anything else to try and prevent Simon from scoring, except to smother him. And Peter June Simon delivers on the first free throw. Si Rolimi, bibigyan din ng pahinga ni Kirby, Raimundo, and everyone at the bench of Pure Foods giving him the high fives. And it is now a 7-point lead for Pure Foods as Kelly Williams. Hey! What a time for Kelly Williams. Luck to change right at the buzzer. Kelly Williams with a 3-point shot. Of course, that still has to be validated by the referees. Great timing. At eto, nakita natin mukhang counted talaga with time to spare actually. And so, Santa Lucia cuts the lead to just 4 points after this 3-point shot from long distance by Kelly Williams. Our first quarter score, 18-14, Pure Foods. We'll be right back, folks.